Hi, good morning. Today we're going to be doing a range of resistance bands movements, but we're going to be only seated. Anyone at home can do it quite easily, or the office. When you have a 5-minute break, your lunch break, your coffee break, you can do your stretches and get a quick workout. This is a great exercise that you can use as full body exercises, upper, lower as well, and the core. That gives you general training. Okay, so let's give this a try. And I'll move back and tune in. So today what we'll start with some upper body exercises, working from the shoulders down to the chest, and then the arms, and then the abs, and then we'll work some lower body movements for the back, and then for the legs. Okay, so there'll be a range. So this is going to be introductory video. Perhaps I will split it into 3 parts. We'll see how we go, and let's get started. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll use the trainer band, which is suitable for anybody. The other bands you can use if you feel like a more strenuous workout, but let's start with this. I'm going to prove that all these exercises are not just for the fitness buffs, but pretty much anyone can get involved, okay? Okay, so those are the shoulder exercises we have, and then we have the chest, okay? And we have the first one is the front press. Front press, with all chest presses and push-ups, or you always twist the band once. And the options, if you have a high chair, you can put the band on the back of the chair, okay? And we're pushing it out. Because at the front, we're pushing it front ways. And these should be able to work on your chest muscles. You do single hand. There are a lot of variations to it, but a simple one to get both workouts. And when you hit the end of the stretch, you can flex and tighten up your chest muscles to give it an extra pump. Okay. In the next one, we have the upper chest press, which is same position here. This is front, then upper we're looking at 45 degrees. See, you were careful on that one. They might flip up on you. So with the upper press, you want to put it down on the lower part of the chair, or what people also do is just put a chair on your back. You don't necessarily have to put it on the back of a chair. We put that lower, and we're looking at 45 degrees. So we're pushing upwards in an upwards angle. And this works on the upper chest muscle. People like to cross their arms when they do it, left to right. Okay. And similar, if you want tighter, you can change the resistance level of the band or hold it lower down as well. And that gives it. Okay. The key is to keep control of the band. Then we have the flat fly and also the upper chest fly. So similar, but we have the palm. Here what we do is we bend the shoulders a little bit, palms face each other, and we bring it in. Okay. Okay. You almost squeeze it like you're hugging a tree. So you try and hug a tree. You're squeezing, hugging a tree. And also for the upper chest press, upper chest fly, is we do it the same as that, but we're doing up in a 45-degree angle. Okay. So that's the 2 of the 4 chest exercises we have. And we're done. So these are the basic moves which I'll be introducing if you're for a seated version of our band exercises. All these moves are incorporated into the bands, They're not specifically named after the seated ones because they're more arranged for standing up full body exercise. However, all these moves can be done if you're seated, even if that is necessary. Hopefully that helped out a bit, and if you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button, like the page, give us some comments down below, and join us on Facebook and Instagram as well. And if you're interested in joining up, jump onto xxbands.com and put your name in as a subscriber, and we'll update you with any new information. Okay, if there's anything else you want to see, please put in a comment so that we can make more videos for you. We felt we did the chair one obviously because people asked for it. They didn't want me standing around in the park and everything. They said, oh, that's too energetic, I can't follow it. Oh, my mum can't follow it. I think this set of moves can be done. You can do it your own timing, however you want to do it. Just make sure you keep exercise everything else every day. And as I said, my motto is don't forget to work out today. So please don't forget to work out today. Peace out.